Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a simple vase in Blender. Very simple for beginners. So let's jump right into the video. Press X, delete the cube, and then Shift A and select UV sphere. Now go to front. You can also press on your numpad, go to front, but what I like to use is this, which is this key that I don't know what it's called. This one, I'm talking about this one. Okay, go to front, and here select viewport shading, tab, press tab, or you can also go edit mode by doing it this way, or tab. And now let's select this part around here and press X on your keyboard, X, and then select faces. You can also select the bottom and select the less X and then select faces. And now what you have to do is to press A to select your entire mesh, and then please select S, but make sure you're in front mode. Press S and then Z. Now we can scale this on the Z axis. By the way, you can see here, like here, a long global Z. So let's make our vase. Okay, and you can also make this like this, right? You can select this part and go G if you want to move it a little bit, and yeah, also select Z, maybe like this. You now press S, and you can scale, or X if you want to. Press X, make it like this maybe, and then this part, select this part again, and S and X, so you can make this like this maybe. You can also use this functionality proportion. So when you press J, you can now scale this, and it's pretty useful. It's good. And you can also here select again and Control R. So we can add one here, and then 3. So you can select faces, and here G and Z. Okay. And now what we can do is hold Alt and select this, but click here on edge or 2. So now hold Alt, and so you can select the entire edge. It saves more time than doing this manually, like hold Shift and then select every edge. It takes saves way more time. So now press A to extrude, and then right click to cancel, and then press S, and now we can make this way, and then uncheck this, and here press S again, and now 0. You can also doing this way, but it's S, and then doing this way, but you'll still have a hole right in the middle. So if you want, press S and then 0. So we'll cover everything. Now press A on your keyboard, select everything, and now we need to remove any vertices or edges that are multiplied. They are like 2 or 3, and we have to delete them. So press M on your keyboard and then select merge by distance, and it removed 63 vertices. So this can help you a lot. And now let's go back to viewport shading, and here click on modifier properties, add modifier and solidify. And now you can increase the thickness and please check even thickness. Now you can increase the thickness and you have a very simple vase. I know it's not perfect. Look here, there is a mistake here. But anyways, you don't have to do what I did. It's just like if you learn the way you can do it, you can create different vases, different ways, different models. But I hope this video helped you. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.